Alright friends, this is the homework video for lesson 4.9. Go ahead and pause the video and write your name at the top, please. Alright, I want you to snowflake numbers 1, 2. I want you to circle 3, circle 1, snowflake 2 on the back, and then circle the rest. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and make sure that yours looks like mine. Alright, I'm going to go through and I'm going to read everything for each problem, so that way you can pause and rewind as you need. Okay, your job and your directions are to label the bar model, write a number sentence with a blank or a question mark for the missing number, and then you need to solve it. So number 1, Jacob counts 37 ants on the sidewalk and 11 ants on the grass. How many ants does Jacob count? Your first thing that you want to do is you want to ask yourself, what am I trying to solve for? What part of your math problem is important to you? Okay, go ahead and label the bar model, write your math sentence, and solve. Number 2, there are 14 bees in the hive and 17 bees in the garden. How many bees are there? First thing you want to ask yourself, what am I solving for? Next question, what's important information? Label your bar model. Write a math sentence, give me an answer. Number 3, describe how you labeled the bar model and wrote a number sentence to solve exercise 2. So what number 3 is asking you to do, it's asking you to take a look at number 2. Tell me how you knew what numbers to put where in the bar model and how you know what your number sentence was supposed to look like. Backside, number 1. Sean and Abby have 23 markers together. Abby has 14 markers. How many markers does Sean have? First thing you want to do, what are you solving for? Label your bar model. Solve. Number 2, Mrs. James has 22 students in her class. Mr. Williams has 24 students in his class. How many students are in the two classes? What are you trying to solve for? What information is helpful? Label your bar model and solve. Number 3, what is the difference? Difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. Go ahead and solve. Number 4, what is the sum? Sum is the answer to an addition sentence. Solve. Number 5, Jan has 14 blocks. She gives 9 to Tim. How many blocks does Jan have now? Number 6, what is the next number in the counting pattern? 29, 39, 49, 59. Go ahead and turn this in when you are done, and then you can get on Extra Math, Dreambox, or Prodigy. Thank you, friends. Good job.